All right, let's see. Nope. You can use Jack Swing. Main. Did I forget to put something in main? Nah. Import details palabras. Components. Palabras. Import palabras. Details palabras. Details palabras. App. I don't know why it's not working. Kentucky Fried. Don't know, don't know, don't know. Nav. This is in nav. Let's look at my nav. Am I using the wrong route? Maybe that's it. Ah, missing the S. Oh my gosh. Fucking S. Where's it at? Turn the boot burn. Main. Passwords. Words. Details palabra. Oh, there it is. No. Fine. That's it. The route's wrong. It's supposed to be random palabras. Random palabras. That's why. I was going to the wrong. It's not details, it's random. Ah, it's words. So it's words, random palabras. Fucking years that I'm facing. Is it my summer vacation? All right, we're getting error messages. Can I find Florida word? Why are you looking for that? The bigger the cap, the bigger the pillin'. Best men know dirty mob, it's just the way of life. Line 5. The green guys. 5. Not that one. Oh wait, yeah. Got drama. Import. Cannot read property footer word of undefined. 5. What's coming through? Move the sky pager. Now I'm bombing on Betty. Okay. Props that I'm getting. Data. Props. All right. Neck bones to M&M's. So it's not updating my random word. I'm not getting my random word. But this is working. What up, loke? For a joke. And drop the load in the bathroom. Alright. So earlier I did this refactoring and something isn't working. Okay. That still works. Florida word. How come Florida word didn't work? Ah, come on, man. Show me the state. I want to see local storage. Fuck it. Alright. They should, because I just went through them. I've been wanting to refactor this for a while to basically make it so that it'll load the state with words and a random word for those objects, and then store that in local storage, and then check local storage to see if it exists. Then after check local storage, then check. If you can't find it there, then check state. If it's in state, put it in local storage. If not, make a call to make sure that there's always say hi. It's hilarious. Robin Lynch. Anywhere. On Figueroa. Alright. There should be state. Data. It's empty. Prefix. It's there. No, it's not. Oh, there. No, it's not. I'm looking at state. If you can't see it, I don't know if you can see it. If I go verbo, empty. My man, dad, little angel. Like that. Good night. Oh, so I finally read the lyrics to "Giving Up the Nappy Dugout." Not the it was a hook that I didn't know what they were saying exactly. Yeah, it has a whole new meaning. I don't know if you've read it, but check it out. It's that was pretty cool how they made it almost inaudible, but once you read it, you know, assuming that they got it right, the people who put it online. All right, so I need to update this so that when the component mounts, just load random collaborates. Time to load. No, there's no fucking verbose. Oh wait. Oh, here it is. This is all on one line. I just missed it. I'm gonna do my thing today, leaving up the nutty dugout. Verbose. So why would it not? Maybe it's just busy. I need to make it Does it wait? Like, does this wait for that one and this wait for that one? Let's check. Async await. What was that? I always like to look at these and I add them to my pocket and then I never go to my pocket. Let's go to the Mozilla. Let's read the docs. I don't do this enough. Async function declaration defines an asynchronous function which returns an object. Okay. This is what I'm doing, but I'm just having written differently. All right. Return value of promise, which will be resolved with the value returned by the async function or rejected with an uncalled exception thrown from within the async function. Description. An async function can contain an await expression that pauses the execution of the async function and waits for the past promises. Resolution and then resumes async functions. She returns the resolved value. Remember, the await keyword is only valid inside async functions. You get a syntax error if I use it outside of that. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna test something. Nope, that was careless. Wait. Okay, let's check that again. So it calls the function add one, which is resolve after 2 seconds. So resolve after 2 seconds returns a promise, and it sets the timeout for 20 seconds to resolve X. And then it resolves X. And that's that. So, is there time between A and B? Or is it immediate? Yeah, there's time between A and B. 2 seconds. Hmm. Oh, it's one of my favorite tracks, Bird in the Hand. That was a high school. Wonder if. Hmm. Load random palabras. Wonder if that'll make a difference. In the neighborhood, to the corner house, Mr. Darker, Little Joe, and Todd Bridges, or anybody that he know. Talked up me a bird better known as a kilo. I went from Poe. Oh man. So told you earlier, snowing here. And I thought about going to the store, but I figured, made an executive decision. Decided that I can wait till spring arrives. And a woman I met who is, I don't know if she's from here or not, but she decided to brave the great outdoors and went to the store and forgot her wallet. I wouldn't go back. I wonder if she went back. I asked her. I'm dressing, so learn a quick lesson. Oh, she went back out. I don't know why it's not. Ah, this is annoying. All right, so what I could do, all right, so just put the button in the component to call for the random variable. Um, have I don't want to do a drop down. I'm gonna need some sort of a form. I could do three different buttons, right? And then yeah, that could allow me to clean up the menu, not the menu, the nav bar. Right. I still need to figure out how to call a function from a link so it'll feel. There, down at the bet spot. All right. Got to let loose. Hmm. So we're gonna do. All right. Put three buttons in here just to start. Soaking wet. All right. Over a little scratch. Yep, expected. I'm a gang affiliation. I don't bang, I rock the good rhymes. I'm shy. All right, all right, all right. How are we gonna do this? All right. So I'm gonna start by creating the function. A couple ways I could do it. I could start from the component and work up as far as sending the data that I need to send to state to then send back down and give me the data I need. Or I can start at state and then send it down. And when I say that, I mean as far as building it, not actually how information is going to be handled. It's going to come from state, which is an app.js, and come down to details pluggers through my. So this is app over here. It's going to come through state through main. Where is that? This thing is long. So I said earlier, like I look at this file and I'm like, oh, I do not want to deal with this application because I don't want to deal with this file. So I'm going to put it in here. I got like load random full of the word, load random prefix, suffix, load random verb. You can do that with just one function. And just like with the forms, it'll pass the name of the list. And just use one component. Here it is. It's something like this, a switch statement that'll determine what, instead of setting state, yeah, I'll be getting it and I'll pass it back to state. Yeah, that's how it's gonna work. But see, update. No. I'll see here, I'll do it. I'll pass P and POB vet J. Right. In case here, if it's this, or this, I do it. And he shall be. Load random. Did I not create the function yet? This dot. Yeah, I didn't create it yet, I guess. Dot. Mm. Damn. Huh. All right. This dot load random palabra. It's going to take that, the components, the list, and that, and then we're going to do. Oh, we're going to do the slice. Let params equal, or let params is p dot slice. Take everything but the last character because it comes in like this, right? That's what's coming in. So we're going to cut off this. That's what the slice does. Start at the beginning, and then -1 is move 1 from the end. So it's going to do that. That's what I'm going to pass. What else? I need. Const. I don't know. Const. Let palabra be this dot state oh now how do I do this here? All right, so I think this should be the first switch statement because depending on what params is, right? So it'll be switch params if it's 4-letter words, then it's going to be I want to load a random 4-letter word. It's going to be this, let for the word equals shuffle. This is, so I need basically all of this. I'm just going to copy this and paste it in. So it's going to be if So this is what I need. I think I full of the words. If, so create a variable full of the words. If full of the words is already there, then just take full of this dot state dot full of the words and set that equal to the variable I just declared, right? And then let full of the word, which is, I haven't created that yet. And then we run the function shuffle, which is JavaScript or npm. What do they call it? Freaking, it's code. It's an application, small application that npm module. It's a module, I guess. That somebody created, basically shuffles an array and gives you, depending on the parameters you decide, it gives you though something, a random of that. And I'm basically getting a random of my full of the words list. Copy means it takes a copy of it. It doesn't mutate the original. Shuffles it and then it picks one and sets it equal to full of the word. And then this dot state dot full of the word and then set local storage. So I'm just going to take all of this and for my case statement. Boom. All right, and then break. Right, is that how it works? Do another case, yeah. D, motherfucker, D. Prefix. Then it's in full of the word. Ah. Yeah. All right. So I had to change that because there's no more load random full of the words. It's load random palabra. So I had to change that to call it again because if it's not there, then it calls it again. Load random palabra. Yeah. Load palabra. That's the what started the madness. Load random prefix. Same as before. Create a variable. Let suffix prefix. Let prefix suffix roots. I wanted to do it with roots in the middle, like in the order, prefix, root, suffix, but I don't want to deal with plural x's. It's just, you know what I mean? Making a decision on how you're gonna pluralize that. Just s or do es, or and then if it happens to get some help on it, I don't want somebody confused. All right. So set that if there's the array is there for the prefix suffix roots, then set it equal, right? Just set that, and then it's going to call this function down here to get the random, just like before. Or else it's going to then call random palabras, and then this is going to be palabra. Right? You then flip flop. Random verbal. And the crossover. You'll have a mix, yeah. Don't want you back. I didn't even do it. Oh wait, did I? I didn't. Random full of the word. They put to the game. Oh man, zoned out, I guess. You little guppy. Can't be no yuppie. I want to make sure this is all lined up properly. Case if, let, case if. And then break. If in case. All right. Yeah. This is going to be case expression. Verbose. Uh-oh, colorblind. I can see who can see me. SS. What do we got? Love. Bail out. I think these are supposed to be in more. Yeah. I put away my knife. I'm colorblind. They have to. Oh, I guess not. Can't stop, and it won't stop. Don't stop. Not to the bang bang boogie. All right. The mouse split. No thing to me, cause I slang these things like a G. Yo, Bill. Wanna get with me? You be wide. All right, that's causing error because I got rid of these, so they're not pointing at anything. Believe it or not, they got more love for me here. Download. Colorblind. Now these will start giving me an error down here inside of main. On load random. Load prefix, load verbo. Load random. palabra. This dot handle load random palabra. Okay. Now let's go to main and make sure that every which way I get burned. Big Fred was red. No, because it's just in props. Just go ahead and erase these. I had started out with what, 485, I think I said it was. No, that can't be right, because now I'm at 480. Oh, I just made a bunch of stuff, and I didn't delete the redundancy. That's what? 26 to 41, that's 15. And then 87 to 21, that's about 44. No, 20, 87, 40, yeah. 44. So about 60. About 60 lines. Base invaders. All right, let's look at nav. I don't think nav. Nav. Dumb shit? Yeah. Load random. Doing dumb shit. Ow. What is that? From here to Albuquerque. Doing dumb shit. Alright, so there's nothing in nav just yet. Main has been updated. So in here, I have to figure out how alright. So be something similar to this. Doing dumb shit. I need to do the this dot handle change equals this dot handle change dot bind this. Is that right? Yeah. Bind is one D. Ah, nah, that ain't it. That ain't the move at all. I gotta get this to work. Where's it at? Nav. I did something similar in Nav, but it's not working right. Unload random verbo. Could you kill us? Gang related rhymes. Gang related rhymes. Little white man. All right, let's see what's coming through. Improv.data. No, it's supposed to be Palabra, homie. Did I say? Let's see. How long have I been on this thing? A little over an hour, huh? Let y'all set it off. Get that AK. Straight out of Compton. Who you fooling? Props dot data dot props. No Vaseline. That whole album just go hard. You beat people up on it. The bigger the peeling. Big bank take little bank. Like Kunta Kinte. Now act like you don't know me. No Vaseline. What you thinking about? What should be? How am I gonna do this? Maybe I should take a break, come back to it. It's been an hour. It's a good time to take a break. I'll come back. I am Anthony. I write code, and I've just been listening to Death Certificate Al Presented. So I'm gonna get some snacks, doing a little React refactoring, and I do not know how this works, so we're learning together. You can read about React Router and